Alright, so update. Got the care package in for the upgrade of fuel pump. These are the wiring that I didn't have before. I just put this in over. Alright, so yeah, I just put this on. Just put this new wiring piece on. Got the ground, got the power, and we're gonna plug it up. Probably drop it in later, and hopefully that should be it for the fuel pump installation. I went with the 450 high flow. See gang here. I got him. Nigga real comfortable. You know the vibes. You see what the we watching. Later. The other day I was doing my fuel pump upgrade and cover upgrade. The pump went from a 255 to a 450. The cover went from a regular cover to a carbon fiber cover. I ran into some issues. I didn't have the correct plug, as you can see right here. So it was missing this piece right here, and I got it, so I can essentially finish the install. I also am not going to be using the came with the plug, but there's a thing about this filter that you put it on. Where is it? Put it on like this, and it's up in the tub, whereas the stock filter sits lower and better in the tank. And I think that makes more sense. There's also a video about it. What's his name? Bert. Damn, I don't remember the rest of his Instagram, but I just throw it in. Feel me? So yeah. He actually posted a video that I was watching. It helps, essentially. There's also this gasket right here. It was towed up. So I had to pretty much wait to get all those pieces, because you know I don't like really doing things over and over again. So just get everything the right way I want it one time, or as best I can right now, so that it'll be good. So I'm gonna just throw the rest of this together, and then zip tie this on to make sure it doesn't move, and then pick up from there, installing it back into the car. Alright, and I got two 255 Warburg fuel pumps. I'm gonna be trying to get rid of these pretty soon. So I'm gonna get a whole bin right here of miscellaneous car parts that I should be getting rid of soon. So, you know, you guys get the little quick sneak peek. Feel me? Get a little head start in the messaging, trying to get them bought for yourselves. I got some, what is this? Automatic OEM EG mounts. Some replica E36 carbon fiber mirrors. The mirrors that we already know is for sale, the GT3s. I got an FMU here for sale. Alright, so yeah, I saw the install. I'm gonna just do a quick cleanup and then we're gonna put the cover on. But essentially, I think the gasket that I put here, the new one, is holding in the fuel smell. But I'm gonna try to take there's like a gasket piece from the old one, and I'm gonna put it around here. I don't know what I'm gonna use to glue it down or whatever, but I don't think the carbon fiber version doesn't have any gasket or anything, but I think it's a good idea to put it there. So I'm gonna just vacuum out the car real quick and then focusing on that, get it installed, and then we're gonna close up and end out this video. I'm gonna go check my bro P.I. in a minute. He came out with his, his brand and his clothing line, and gotta go support the homie, you feel me? So, yeah. Alright, so I cleaned up the back. What I'm trying to do now is take this little foam piece and use it as a gasket. Just cutting it with a box cutter. Then I'm going to put it around the seal back there. Test fit. It looks like there's a little bit extra, but we'll see. I'm gonna probably get some, if I can find crazy glue or something in the crib. Use that, and then just, I think I'm gonna leave the extra on, because it's not really a big deal, because it's foam it will just give in. And I'm gonna just go look for some crazy glue or something else. I don't know what else. Crazy glue is what I think of, but yeah. After that, I'll go on all this, close it up. So I found some Gorilla Glue. It's for wood, but I feel like I can make it work. And it has a little spout, so I could do it like a clean application. So I'm gonna start right here.